Malaysia's High Court has ruled that non-Muslims can use the word Allah to refer to God in religious publications. The court also ruled that the government's directive to ban the word in non-Muslim publications is unconstitutional and invalid. The case started after a Christian from Sarawak had 8 CDs with the word Allah in the titles seized from her. This was in 2008. The woman claimed that it was her constitutional right to have access to such publications and to practice her religion and right to education. Malaysia politics expert James Chin has more.
Basically, she's making the argument that even though the Constitution of Malaysia puts Islam in a privileged position, the Constitution also says the rights of other people to process other faiths is guaranteed by the Constitution. So that's the first point. The second point she makes was that the banning of the word of the Allah word and 11 other words actually was unconstitutional. So basically, she's making the argument that the state has actually gone beyond its power to ban her personal religious items and also to try to stop her from practicing. That's the simplest way of explaining it. This ruling was actually supposed to come out 2 or 3 years ago, but the plaintiffs and the defendant, in other words, Joe Allen's legal team and the government were trying to negotiate some sort of a deal so that they can avoid a court case. That has not worked, so that's the reason why we have this ruling.